Yes, my people, good day. Working on a nice BMW today. What are we doing? We are replacing CV axle. See the old one here? See that? Greasy. I'm getting greasy this morning, and then the new one. Just giving you a little comparison. Yes, there's a lot of grease inside these boots, and when the boots get torn, they get oozed out and they sling all over the inside of the car. So now look at my office, what it looks like. And also remember my book, Owning My First Car, Tips and Tricks and Things You Need to Know by Rastaman Bills. You can get it on Amazon. Get one today. But see my office here, we have to take all of these things apart. The lower part of the strut, undo from the lower control arm, tie rod end, this control arm right here, radius arm. Yes, all of that. And that's a real strange looking setup there for the wheel bearing. But yeah, man, this is just what's going on this morning. And it just goes like that. But yeah, man, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bless. Yeah.